Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. And those who are new, hi, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. This video is all about how to use your beauty blender right. I don't know, many of you would have just bought the beauty blender and wondering how to use this little guy right here. So without wasting time, let's get started. So by the way, it works as a stress buster too. The best way to use this beauty blender is to soak it in water. Now, so many of you guys would be confused how to soak it. People and YouTubers keep on saying that it's a wet, damp beauty blender, soaked beauty blender, but how to do it? I am here to solve your issues and show you how to use a beauty blender. So now I'm going to soak this little baby in the water and now we are going to watch it grow. So I have a mug of water right in front of you. So I'll keep it here so that you can see it, and I'll be holding it like that, yeah. And now I'm going to dunk this beauty blender in the water. So basically you squeeze it and then dunk it and release it, and you watch it grow bigger. I'm just going to press it 2-3 times, and I see almost half of my water is consumed, and now it is so big. Now you'll be wondering, so how to use this beauty blender? So you just squeeze all the water out of it really hard. It's very difficult for me to do it right here, but I am doing it. So now can you see how big this beauty blender is looking? What I prefer is I just take a cloth and the beauty blender, place it right in between and just squeeze it once again to remove any excess water still there on the blender. And now this is the best way to apply your foundation. So now if you see the previous size and now you see this blender, it has grown almost double in size and as soft as like never before. So the softness also increases. It is more bouncy and more soft than the normal beauty blender when it's dried. So this is how you have your beauty blender ready for your base. So now I'll be showing you the difference of a wet beauty blender and a brush. And now let's judge what is better. What say, guys? I am going to use a stippling brush on one side and a beauty blender on the other side. So the foundation today which I will be using is going to be the MAC Mineralized Foundation in the shade of NC37. So let's start blending this all. So once I have started using the beauty blender, I really feel it's so difficult to blend out with the brush. No, why am I not able to do this? Oh my god, this side is so much better already. So let's get into the concealer, and that I am going to use the Essence Stay All Day Long 16 hours long lasting concealer. It is so difficult to do this, guys. For the concealer, I'm going to use the tip of it. This is so much more comfortable. So this is so much better than this, guys. If you can understand on camera, I don't know. I can understand too much, but I don't know whether you would be able to understand it or no. I feel so much of difference, like oh my god, like oh my god, oh my god. So this gives less coverage, this gives more coverage as well. I don't know, so much of I never knew, yeah. I used to do my makeup with brush for so long, and now I feel oh my god, this is so, but now it's setting. You know, there's such a minute difference which you can't tell too much, but during the application, I must say guys, there's a lots and lots and lots of difference. So here we are, close, done our base. So I'll finish the rest of my face and I'll give you the final reviews after I finish the entire makeup. Alright. So here I am for the review of the final thoughts on the brush side and the beauty blender side. I would obviously vote for Beauty Blender more because I love how this applies. This is easy for application, anyone can use it, even the beginners do not have to struggle too much to get the things right in its place. Whereas the brush is difficult to blend, it might leave out streaks. Of course, this absorbs very less product. In fact, this doesn't absorb product, this absorbs a little bit of your foundation. So yes, the foundation goes a little bit more than the brush, but Beauty Blender is the key to success. So yes, I love the Beauty Blender, and if you ask me to vote between the brush and the blender, I would definitely go for the blender. So I know, don't mind my dirty blender because I've just used it. So this was it guys. I hope that you liked this video. Do let me know in the comment section below, what do you like more, the blender or the brush? I want to know from all you guys out there. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then,